everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be making a military truck. I decided to do it on Dune because, well, why not, you know? I haven't played in this space sector in a very long time. Let's do this. Alrighty. See, what truck should okay, I'm obviously going to use the armored seat because, well, it's an armored vehicle. I'm going... Hey, why not a third one? Okay, that looks goofy. Gonna do that. This is gonna be so military truck. Put this here. Yeah, we can add another one right here. And then aerodynamics, which 2x2, and then here, I'm gonna make this taller. Put some wheels in there. Oh, this is gonna be big. Good. Bigger is always better. Always better. Now, take that out. Get a truck wheel. Erase that. Put that in. Oh, that's the lowest it'll go. Oh, Alrighty. Then we can go like this. It doesn't seem wide enough to me. Maybe I'll add another layer. Yeah. That. Change that. Like that. Let me take those wheels. Yeah. This is gonna be a very big military truck. Oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow. Alright, let's build the frame. So, take these. This. Like this. Like this. Then go over here. We go up. I can't. Okay, there we go. Okay, then we move that over here. Good. Then Okay, perfect. Like that. And we want to go like this. And then gonna need enough room for 2 more wheels. Okay, so they take up 6 slots. So bye-bye. Wait. You, and then you. Oh. You. And we take these wheels. Truck wheel. And we go like that. Oh, wait. This, and then like this. Get down there. And then like that. And then you. Actually, not you or you. Like this. Go like this. Actually, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, do that, then we'll go like this. Copy it over here, and boom. Okay. Now, actually, okay, yes. Yes, this is what I want. And then we just lift and drag. And we just get these. Yeah, that's fun. Is that fine though? Nah. I guess we're gonna use it. Okay, why is it like over here? There we go. Okay. Wait. Okay, let me go like this. We put this over here, and I hope that I'm doing this right, because I have a feeling that I'm not. Definitely not doing this right. Yeah, let's just make a big box. And then we go like this. Then we go like this. And like this. And this. Like this. Up a little bit. Right here. Right here. And then we just go. You. Copy paste, copy. Alright. Oh, I forgot about something. Yeah, I still need steering. We're just gonna delete those. Then we'll get some steering hinges. Where did they go? Right here. And we'll go like that. Alright. Alright, then you just go right there. And yeah. Oh, right, we need engines. Move you. And erase you. And put a dragon engine in there. Definitely a good start, I think. Yeah, not a good start. Oh, I can do this. No, I can't. Is this? Oh, no way. What if I put this in here? That's not the one I clicked. This one. I think it needs to be a bit faster. I don't want to add a gyro because it'll kind of like ruin the whole car thing. I definitely need to widen the wheels, but like, oh, it got some. Oh, it got a lot of air there. Ah! No! Maybe I need more. Okay. Pretty decent for a big truck like this, 60 miles an hour. Oh no. Oh, that would have been bad if we just, oh, we would have went flying off the planet. Oh, nope. We would have just died. Yeah. We should go over there. The vortex. Where's that? Oh, here, there it is. Wait, I want to put another engine in here. And put this over here. Then we go. Crud. Yeah, maybe not the best dune vehicle. Okay, where is this thing? I feel like this is the edge. Gotta go through the dune forest. For some reason. Alrighty, let's get going. Ooh, look at hell, we should jump off of it. Great jump. Whee! Ooh, that's an even better spot. No! No! Okay, I need to go this way. Bruh. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get in. I really want to go off this jump. The jump up here. Not this one. Oh, that's a pretty jumpy jump. Alrighty. And wait, why are the teeth pointing in like that? Wee! Oh, crud. Yeah. Sorry, creation. Have a nice time, though. Oh, it survived. What if I just like... Wee. Wait, but I have invincible characters on. How did I die? Ah! Ah! Okay, okay, no. No! Wee! Wee! Alrighty. That will be it for today's video. I have no idea what else I'm supposed to do. If anyone has any suggestions, or if maybe I should do a part 2, and leave your suggestions of what I should do if I do make a part 2 in the comments down below. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more content like this. And I will see you in the next time. Bye.